alphabet class. My name is Migrisel from Sunshine State Academy. We're still working with the alphabet letters. Today our turn is the letter E. Always you have to have in mind, there are three important things that we have to know. How our letters look, the name of our letter, and the sound of our letter. Because the letter is like us. We are kids, but each one of you have a name. It's the same with the letter. They are letters, but each letter have a name. In this case, the name of the letter is letter E. E. The sound of the letter E is E. So let's start to learn how to write that letter, okay? Very simple and very easy. Everybody know how to make straight line. So we are going to start in the top. Remember, it's very important how we are holding the pencil, okay? So we start on the top. We are going to draw straight line down. We stop right here. Then again, we go to the top and we are going to make a short line, a sleeping line. Right here, one on the top, another one in the middle, sleeping line in the middle, and another one on the bottom of the letter. So right here we have our capital letter E. Remember, we have two letter E, capital letter and lowercase letter. It's the same thing like a big sister and the baby sister, and both of them have the same name. So let's start with our letter E, lowercase letter. Very simple. Do you remember when we learned how to do our letter C? So let's start with the first. Right here in the middle of the page, we are going to make like a semicircle. We go down, 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 and we stop right here. Remember our letter C? So what is the most easy way to do it? Right here, we are going to make like a half a circle, like a curve. And we stop right here. Great, easy? Yes, so one more thing. So sound of the letter E, what I said? E. Right? So let's start with think about words that begin with our letter E. Let's see, egg. Egg begin with the letter E. It's what right here. Egg begin with the letter E. What means begin is the first letter of the word. Right here we can see the letter E. Okay, so let's continue right now with our second letter. The second letter for today, the letter F. Do you remember what I said, right? We have three important things: how our letter look, the name of the letter, and the sound of the letter. So right here, say hi letter F. F, very simple to do it, very easy to do it. Capital letter and lowercase letter. Big sister, the baby sister. But both of them have the same name, F. Both of them have the same sound. That is the sound of F. But they look a little bit different. So right now we're going to learn how to write our letter F, capital letter. Remember how to hold the pencil on the top of your page. Straight line down. We go to the top, we make straight line. Now, second step, we go to the top again right here, and we are going to make another sleeping line to this way. Now, another sleeping line in the middle. Let's find the middle in the same way that the first one, but a little bit shorter than that one. Easy, right? Very good. So now let's start with our lowercase letter. Our lowercase letter F. Very simple, but we have to be focused a little bit on this line, on this letter. So we are going to make do you know how to make a rainbow, right? Like a little rainbow is going to be easy to do it. What is a rainbow? How is a rainbow? That is the rainbow. So now in this side, we go again to make a line down, a straight line down. And right here in the middle, a little line, sleeping line, but remember it's a little one, the little F. So what is it about the letter F? The letter is the sound of the F. So let's figure it out. Let's try to think, let's focus on the words that begin with the letter F. What's mean begin? The first letter. Like your name. What is your name? You said, what is the first letter in your name? It's the same thing with the words. They have a first letter. So that means the beginning sound of the letter. Let's start with the F. Let's see. Fun. Great. Let's put it right here. Fun. Begin with the letter F. So let's write the word right here. Here is the letter F, means the first one. What else? What else? What else with F? Feather. Great. Feathers begin with the letter F. Feathers. What is the first letter? Which one is the first letter? F. If you focus on the name, you can say feather. You are going to know the first letter is F. F. Is that okay? Thank you to be with me. I see you soon. Bye bye.